5-in-1 water-cooled laser welding machine. It breaks the limitation of single-function conventional machinery. It covers 5 processing types: welding, cutting, laser cleaning, weld bead cleaning, and precision energy storage welding. All 5 core functions integrated. It saves the procurement cost and floor space required for 5 separate machines. High-efficiency water cooling supports 24/7 non-stop operation. Its welding speed is 3 to 5 times faster than conventional TIG welding. The welded joint boasts tensile strength superior to that of the base metal. Weld beads are smooth and fine-looking. Uniform weld quality eliminates post-weld grinding work. No need to replace the main machine body. Simply switch the cutting nozzle and adjust process parameters to rapidly cut various thin metal sheets. Cut surfaces come smooth without burrs or dross adhesion. High-energy laser beam irradiate workpiece surface, stripping rust, paint, grease, oxide layers, coatings, and other contaminants instantly. The cleaning process consumes no spare parts, produces no dust or chemical pollution. It causes 0 damage to the base substrate surface. Switch working mode with one single click to swiftly clean weld beads, restoring the metallic luster of welds in seconds. Its cleaning performance outperforms traditional pickling and mechanical grinding by a large. It features an extremely narrow heat-affected zone and minimum deformation, ideal for precision welding of battery tabs, connectors, and electronic sensors. A single machine fulfills the full production workflow, from pre-treatment, cutting, forming, to post-weld finishing. True all-in-one, one-stop machining, built-in process parameter library. Simply select material and thickness. Match parameters. Beginner's master operation in hours.